Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is currently the 15th of May on a Monday, first day of the market open for this week. And we're currently here looking at GBP JPY, and this trade has just closed for a 25 pip take profit. You will see my stop loss does look rather big compared to my take profit, but if you go back and watch my my previous video, which if you click on my channel, it will be under forex education. That video is specifically on gold and how I trade gold, but these concepts occur on GBP JPY as well. And I will also be making a video based solely on GBP JPY this week or on the weekend, and I'll be uploading that for you guys. So basically, this was the trade. If I pull up my MT5 terminal real quick, you can see here, this was the profits, right? You can see here 15th of May, 0.75 lot size. You will also know that if you watch that previous video, you will see I go over my lot sizes for gold and GBP JPY, and I go over why I put my stop losses where I do, right? Sorry, let me go back to this. Sorry, it's playing up, 1 second. Right, so you'll see, if you watch that video, you'll know why this stop loss is here like this. And we can see that it's a good job that I know where I'm placing my stop losses, because this could potentially have taken us out of this trade before it hit our profit targets, right? So we have specific levels and specific reasons to why we are putting our stop loss here. And you can see we let the trade play out, and then it hit take profit here for 25 pips. So yeah, that was GBP JPY just closed. I was also looking at a trade on gold as well, right? And if I hadn't have entered GBP JPY, then I would have entered this one right here, and this would currently still be running with stops somewhere around here, and my take profit would be around about so let me see, let's have a look, around about 50 pips, right? My stop loss would be around about 50 pips, and my take profit would be around 50 pips, and my stop loss would be around 80 pips, right? So we can see right here, this is our level that we want to look at. This is our level of interest, right? And so I would have entered this trade here on gold. We would have seen around about 21 pips profit. But I would be closing this trade here within the next 7 minutes, depending on how it closes. Probably would have taken a small loss on this gold trade here, but I decided to take GBP JPY because it did look cleaner. It looked a better trade to me. So yeah, that's that. I showed you the profits, right? This is from the video we went over on gold in the previous upload. Like I said, one more time, that is under forex education on my channel. You'll see it. Actually, you know what, I can just show you real quick. You see this one right here, my gold strategy that could make you $19,000, right? Oh, not that one. So this one right here under forex education. So definitely go check that out if you want to know why I'm taking these trades, and why my stop loss is here, why my take profit is here. But yeah, beautiful trade today, little $200. I'm very happy with that. And look out for the video coming this weekend on GBP JPY on specifically how to trade GBP JPY, the concepts I use, places to put stop losses, places to put take profits, and things like that, right? So definitely look out for that this weekend. And that is all. It's just a short video just to go over this trade. It's just to keep me it's just like a little journal and a little diary for me to log my trades, so I can look back on it in real time and watch an actual video and watch my explanation for it, things like that. But also it's for everyone out there who's interested in learning forex or is already trading forex but can't seem to find the strategy that's right for them. I'm just here sharing my experience, my strategy, and my knowledge, and hopefully that can help somebody out. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow in the next video, depending if I have a trade tomorrow, or I will see you in the next educational video, which will be on GBP JPY this weekend. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.